Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to choose who can add you to groups on Instagram. By following these simple steps, you can have control over who can add you to group chats. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Step 2. Go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Below how others can interact with you. Tap on Messages and Story Replies. Step 6. Tap on Message Control. Step 7. Now tap on Who can add you to groups. From here you have 2 options. Option 1. Everyone on Instagram. Group chats from Instagram accounts you've already connected with will appear in your chats list. All other group chats will be sent to your Message Requests folder. Option 2. Only people you follow on Instagram. People you don't follow won't be able to add you to a group. If they try, they'll see that you don't allow everyone to add you to groups. Thank you for watching our guide on choosing who can add you to groups on Instagram. Remember to customize your settings according to your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.